We guide you through how to clean phone storage Android. So the first thing you need to do is to open settings, tap storage to see what's taking up space, then start by clearing cache data. Go to apps, select heavy apps like Facebook or TikTok, tap storage and hit clear cache. Next, delete unused apps by long pressing and uninstalling anything you haven't used in a weeks. After that, head to your Files or File Manager app, sort by size, and remove large videos, duplicates, or old downloads you don't need. Don't forget your photos. Open Google Photos, back up your files, then use the Free Up Space option to remove local copies. Also check your download folder and WhatsApp or Messenger media if you installed it, because they store hidden files that pile up over time. And finally, use built-in tools like Storage Cleaner or Device Care if your phone has it, automatically remove junk files. Do this regularly to keep your Android running smooth and lag-free.